Go over the trades on the day. Very choppy uptrend in the NASDAQ and S&P futures. Here are the results on the day. Minus 500 in the 200K portfolio. Minus 1,000 in the 50K portfolio. Let's go to the 50K portfolio. We had Cobra 3 just stopped out on this pullback right here. Choppy uptrend. Oftentimes you see that in slow moving bull markets. They feel a bit manipulative, and they're stop running. That move right there looked like a stop run to take out those lows right there. And so then it just grinds higher at the end of the day. Most of the gains the last few minutes, as you can see here, how it's grinding higher. But on the NASDAQ, we had these two trades, minus 325 and minus 675. So about minus 625, minus 325, minus about 1,000 on the day. And you see the NASDAQ surge at the end of the day once we're flat. And you see the ES here. We're actually still long the ES on this 60-minute breakout. We just got long on EVP1 on the NASDAQ too as well. Raw strategy. So you see gap continuation 2019 in the NASDAQ. It hit its 230 exit time with a nice gain of about 1650 per contract, and then 60-minute breakout. Broke out, stopped out, broke out, stopped out, choppy. Saw a report today that December has been one of the choppiest months this year. Is the choppiest month this year. I'm not sure how they're measuring that. But the VIX is pretty high, higher than it's been since March. So gap continuation 2020 NASDAQ, minus 325. Gap continue, Cobra 3, minus 625 per trade. And then back on the ES, Cobra 3 hit its profit target, plus 575. 60-minute breakout short had another one of our shorting at the lows trades, and hard to trade that short side right now, but 60-minute breakout making up for it. Almost 2,000 per contract. So the ES and the Cobra 3 is our big winners on the day. Crude oil, big move up, but no trades. Didn't trigger any trades. Looking at maybe a breakout strategy for crude oil at this point because I think it could go higher. I think the inflation trade is back on with soybeans. Natural gas moving above 4. No trades. Gold moving higher. Our gold reversal strategy is down on the day about $1,600. Just a smooth uptrend. We're used to seeing these wild swings. That's why we have this gold reversal, and now it's in a smooth trending mode. And so down on the day, minus 1,600. Short from this point right here, and so we'll see how that plays out. Probably exit my trades at the close tomorrow because we have a 3-day weekend. Market's not open on Friday at all, and so gold trades. Silver, no trades. Copper, no trades, just a trend higher. But you can see what I'm talking about. The inflation trade back on. Gold trending higher. Silver trending higher. Copper trending higher. Soybeans up in the 13 handle. Gapped up and held 20 points. No trades. Choppy action. All the trend was overnight. And so inflation trade is back on with all these markets, all these commodity markets moving higher today as we go into the end of the year. So watch out for inflation. Watch out for what the Fed will do to raise interest rates. I don't think the stock market will absorb inflation or higher interest rates that well. I think it'll cause a pullback, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. We traded either way, and we got the long side today on the stock, on the ES, and on gap continuation as well. Disappointed that we didn't have any trades in crude oil. Disappointed we didn't get a reversal in gold to take that trade. But so those are, once again, here are the trades on the day. Minus 500 and minus 1,000 on these. And let's look at the market internals before we close out for the day. You see that huge surge here. Oftentimes you get that the market will hem and haw and make you think it's got to go down. And at the very last minute, last 10 minutes, boom, it surges higher. And so it's very stealth. You can see the moving average on the VIX as well. Put that on the dailies. And since January, right here, the blue line represents the 22-day moving average, or about 22 days per month average close. And so you can see the VIX levels up here have not been this high, only have been this high at the end of January, beginning of February. The average VIX looks less than the average VIX. The average VIX in January, February looks greater than the average VIX in December. But by some measures, supposedly, December has been the most volatile month of the year. I'm not sure how they're measuring that, but it has been volatile. We're up on the month in the 200K portfolio, and we'll continue to trade these strategies through the end of the year, working on some updates. My cold has made it a little bit harder to finish some of my research, But those are the trades on the day for December the 22nd, 2021.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.